Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove call recording on Android phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Have you felt surprised by the abrupt this call is being recorded message during an attempt to capture an important talk? A quick note-taking session or need to remember specific facts can turn awkward when the robotic voice appears. The announcement often comes at bedtime and creates uncomfortable moments. If you need to stop this recording alert, you have found the right place. So in this video, we'll show you how to turn off the recording audio on your call. How to do it is very simple. So first, I will show you first. We'll try to call someone from my phone. You can see there is a record feature in here. And if you want to turn this feature off, it's very simple. You can go back. You can go to your contacts. Now, tap on the settings on the up right corner here. I'm sorry. So you can go to your call logs. This. Go to the settings by tap on the up right corner here. Now you'll find there is an option call recording. You can just tap on that. Record calls automatically. Recording will be saved to the folder. So you can just remove this feature by tap on the toggle in here. And also you can just keep this activate for the call recording notification. Show notification of the call has been recorded. I will just keep it enable. So now you have disabled this feature from your call. Let's try to call someone again. Still in here, but the call will be not record automatically. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove call recording on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.